Aloha, everybody. Today we're going to learn how to scan a document into a PDF using just your mobile phone and no extra applications other than Google Drive. So I'm going to tap on Google. I'm going to go to Drive. Now I'm going to click on the plus or tap on the plus side here. And then I'm going to tap on Scan. Okay. Now your camera will automatically come up, and there's going to be a tendency where you want to turn this into landscape mode, but that's just going to make your image sideways. So do this lengthwise, which is also called paginate mode. And this is actually a good program that Google has, Google Drive, and it will actually look for borders. So don't do this, okay, because then it will look for borders within your document. So make sure that there are obvious borders of your document, and make sure that you have a contrasting background. So I'm using a brown background here on a white business card. And then I'm just going to tap on the camera button. And it just scanned into a PDF. Sorry about the shadow there. Now, when I tap, then I can tap on the name. And if I want to be real lazy, I can tap on the microphone here. Proactive Computer Support Business Card. And I tap on OK, and I name my business card. And now I tap on the check mark here. And there it is. It automatically uploads to my Google Drive. If I tap on that, and there's a PDF with the unfortunate shadow. Sorry about that, but it's good enough for demonstration. And look how you saw before. You saw the contrasting background, but look how it went to the very edges of the document on the left and the right hand side. That's what I was talking about, was it will actually look for borders. And if you don't give it borders, it will look for borders within your document. So make sure that when you scan like an invoice, which is what I used to have to do when I was helping a corporation out with their computers, then make sure that you're showing an obvious background in a contrast or an obvious border with a contrasting background. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So enjoy your computers even more. And remember, you don't need an app for every single specific thing. And that's it. And enjoy your computer. Once again, God bless you.